VIVO.
Yo! Holy. Oh my God, I'm so excited right now. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me get things ready. See. Is everything like, let's make sure that I got the thumbnail and everything ready, brother. Yeah, yeah, we're doing it, baby. I'm open up the stream, the YouTube like comments from my phone, and we're all ready. Where is RT? Yeah, RT right now has some personal life things that he needs to sort out. So, as you guys may already know me from the chat room, I'm RT's student, and as you can already guess, my English is not so good. So you'll have to bother with me, and we will enjoy our time together. So, what's up, everybody? And yeah, let's go, let's go. You're the guy that got 30K on CIT. Yes, 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 yes. That's who. That's who I am. I'm a legend. Yo, thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Just another student of RT that put in the work and got shit done, you know? So yeah, currently, like some of you guys may know me better, some of you guys know me less. So let's do it like that. So mainly my trading strategy is working off the open of the pre-market. And usually when I trade the open, I lose money. So yeah, currently got my trading profit like from pre-market. I'm up like I want to say $600 or $700, something like that. I don't know the exact number because I'm using R's to measure my actual profits. So yeah, let's enjoy together. Let's have some good time. Let's get the open ready. To be honest, this pre-market was not so strong. I think you guys are able to see my watch list, right? Let's make sure. Yeah, you guys are able to see my watch list. So we got the pre-market going with ICG back at 7 a.m. Not much to deal with. Like it gave like an awesome like dip at the start of the move, and then it did like crazy backside. I made some good money over there, but I lost it all when it flushed. But yeah, then we got UCAR and I got some money off of that, and I was like, yeah, I'm not trading the backside, I'm retaining the gains, and let's keep going. And now we're over here. Didn't make much more after that, but yeah. Is for rupees, brother. Yeah, you can call it rupees, but I mean, I use 1 hour right now. I'm constantly changing my R calculation, but right now it is set to be $475. But as the market goes, you know how it rolls. Like sometimes market is hot and I'm doing well. I want to be increasing the risk. And whenever I increase my R set, it also increases my share size automatically. So in my eyes, I'm making the same R's, but R work better when I increase it. So just to make sure I'm not being emotional when I size up, this is a good method if you guys want to check it out. I think it's great. But yeah, let's do it, baby. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The chat room already knows what's going to happen. Yeah, we're going to have some memes rolling, baby. Let's do it. That Israeli accent is thick. Ain't trying to hide it, you know? I'm not trying to hide it. That's who I am. I want to be authentic with you guys. I'm not trying to be anything like anyone else. And yeah, my English sucks. It is. Yeah, EFOI, man. This Memex seller, like you can already see him on the tape, was so fucking difficult to trade. The goat is live. Oh, it's Momo Bro begging biggies. Okay, I'll remember you. Sup, brother? GM, baby. Tommy Gun is, who is it? I don't know. Thought it might be Triad that came out of retirement. Okay, so let's prepare the watch list. RPay, I think the float is too high. Like I saw the level 2, it was just too thick for me. Not really wanna have it on the top of the watch list. There, I thought it might be reclaiming of the lows, but I didn't do it. So EFOI maybe I think it should be the main watch, and also I think that's it. Like EFOI main, PBM. I don't like the price range, and I think it's already like did its like big front side move, so don't really care about it. Yuka, yeah. Let's wait for it to break VWAP maybe. I don't know. But yeah, EFOI is moving. I think maybe if I locked in on this one, maybe I would have made some money, but can't win them all. And this Memex seller, man, I was so scared of him. Like the way price moves after he shows up, it's too hard for me. Not gonna lie. Yeah, finally a transparent YouTube streamer. I mean, trading is not as easy as it used to be, I guess. We all respect the guys that did post daily and all that. But when times gets hard, it's not about transparency. It's just like you need to be locked in on yourself, I guess. I don't really know it because I'm not a streamer, but yeah, can only guess. So yeah, EFOI, big miss. Big miss. If I hadn't been like I was so excited back in like this entire pre-market because I knew I'm gonna be streaming today and I was like, oh, let's lock in. Let's like lock in. Don't think about the stream. But it's hard, man. I'm really excited right now. I think you can already see it. Yeah. Wow, we got 100 people over here. That's insane. Two, no, wait. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you guys for sticking in with me. We're gonna overcome my English struggles and my Hebrew accent. We're gonna do it together. Yeah, I will show the clip. I will show the clip later after we finish trading. And I think like I'm gonna do it like maybe like an hour off the open. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not gonna risk anything. Today looks like a slow day, and also I just can't get it rolling. I will show my stats later on this stream, but I'm red actually full time of the open, not full time. What's the correct term to say? Like all time, yeah, all time I'm red of the open, so not gonna risk anything. I'm here practicing with you guys, like honestly. I got my edge of the pre-market and I'm really like confident with it, but off the open, man, I'm just getting cooked. But yeah. Yeah, thank you, yeah. And also, yeah, I'm gonna practice my English with you. Yeah. I'm gonna do it. I want English to be like it should like be somewhat of a native speaking language. That's what I want it to be, but I'm nowhere near that. But yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yeah. So EFOI of the open. Aviv Berkovich, yeah, Gever. Which broker are you using free market? I'm using Charles Schwab. Honestly, I was using two brokers. Like we will get later. I think I will explain later why I do two brokers. But I did Charles Schwab and Ocean One. But currently, I'm moving to Sage Trader, like the big guys are doing. But yeah, I'm using Charles Schwab and Ocean One, and I'm gonna be using Sage Trader. W in chat. Yeah. Don't forget to smash that like button, baby. Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Let's lock in. Okay. So, yeah. 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 Smash that like button like you smash CIIT. Yeah. Do it. 30,000 likes, baby. That's what we want to see. Okay. So EFOI of the open. Let's hope that it wouldn't like crack pre-market highs right now and do it off the open. Usually for me, I think like pre-market is not so good till from let's say 9:17 till like 9:30. This is like the worst time to be trading, I think. That's why I was like, yeah, I'm not really making so much progress at 9:14 and I'm let's say even if I wouldn't be streaming today, I would like give up on that move, I think, because I just don't like the time frame. Like 9:15 till the open is not so good for me at least. But yeah, the baby RT is up, baby. Let's do it. So yeah, small size of the open. I think I'm gonna do like 400 shares. Like, and the way I'm training, sometimes I do scale into trades. So you may see me like do 100 blocks and then triple tap. But yeah, let's do it. Hello from Israel, Jonathan. Yeah, give it. Nah, it's going. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep. So now we have nothing to trade off the open. Amazing. Oh my god. Amazing. Yeah, I think I might. Yeah, I might refill the water bottle real quick. I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, let's do it, baby. Oh, I'm so goddamn excited, man. I can't even hide it, man. I got like how many people are watching me right now? Like 150. That's insane. Thank you guys. Guys. And let's not suck. That's what I want to be doing. Like, don't lose money. Don't lose money because you suck off the open. But yeah, 30 seconds to go. Hell nah, I'm not be trading the first minutes because I think we also need to make sure we understand which one is the obvious one because EFOI already did its move, I think. That's why I was saying, yeah, it already did the move. We don't have nothing to trade off the open. But yeah, right now it is the obvious one, but obvious doesn't mean like profits because it can be obvious and then go to the depths, brother. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, flash off the open, then a rip of the open. Honestly, the best thing to wish for is to get like a fresh stock off the open, which is so rare. Oh, there, look at there. Okay, let's switch to there. BARE, brother. Mm, not so much volume, but fine, looks good. Let's see, get some more volume. Yeah, okay, EFY looking, yeah, I like this candle, but oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, price action of the open is so erratic, man. What's going on? Yeah, so let's think together. Let's see. Okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's mark some daily levels. I didn't do it because it moved so fast of the pre-market, and I was like, yeah, let's trade it. So yeah, we got 593. Also got $7. I think that's it for the relevant daily lines for now. Okay, it's dipping, sub 5 dip maybe. Let's watch. Didn't do it. Okay, 518, 517, 16. Hmm. Nah. You see, like, even if they do dip, it's so fast, it's so hard to catch. But yeah. Okay, there you go. 505, 502. Not long in that. 508, 510. No. 520. No. I missed it. Just like that. Missed the nice trade. Like just beautifully paving those like $5 support. But they never really print $5. They never did. 501 is the low. Never saw 501, but yeah. Okay. 524. By the way, guys, let me know if I'm talking too much. You guys need to help me. You need to let me understand if I'm doing this thing correctly or not. Yeah, I told RT like also like main goal for me to be here is also like practice the open. So yeah, this stock is actually good. I'm just not finding entries, and I don't want to be buying so high. Damn. Wow, this stock is good. You better know Dash is printing. Is printing. Dip. Oh my God. Oh my. Okay. Small loss. Okay. Oh my God. This thing is crazy. MGRT. Okay. Sorry. What's going on? No, it's not even a penny stock. What are you doing? Oh, you guys will be trolling me. Okay. Get this guy out of here. What the hell, man? Wembley fam. You just rage baited me. What are you doing? And now it's gone. Oh my God. Okay, 650 hold level. Maybe it will go there. Oh my God, this is strong. It's gonna hold up, I think. Dip. Trying. Okay, I'm in the hold up. And let resume. Go higher. Out. Okay. Got 15 cents on like nothing. As I told you guys, I'm mainly practicing here with you guys, the open. Sub 50. Will you hold up or not? Lower. It's not really like dipping like the way I want it to be dipping. That's the thing. Like I gotta change my mindset to take those trades, man. Oh my God. Well, this thing, there's money to be made, but it's so dangerous, man. Waiting. Waiting. Trying some. No, 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 no. Oh my God. I'm so bad. Oh my God. You better know the mighty is printing. You better know it. And now I'm fumbling myself. Okay. Oh, this thing is crazy. One day, man. One day I'm gonna be able to capitalize on those. Damn. Damn. Yeah, it's holding up. It's holding up. And I'm cooked. Yeah, oh, you're good. You're good, bro. It's all good. GROO. What is it? You, you guys be spamming bullshit. Yeah, nice on the EFY. Yeah. Oh my God. Ah, yo, that's dope, man. Metric zones. Why did you leave? Like, you gotta let the people know the real reason why you disappeared. At least you're here with us right now, but yeah, I'm exposing you right now. Let the chat know why did you leave. I'm pumped because of what? Oh my God. Nick, is that real money? Like, oh my God, let's go, man. Holy shit. I can't curse for you. Yeah, I gotta watch my mouth. Like, holy. Yo, that's sick, bro. They got 4,500 shares from 657. One day, man. One day I'ma be there with you, brother. Yeah, sick, sick. You got the dip. Yeah, you got the dip. Okay, now Nordcell is gonna spam the DNR over on the chat room. You all know it. Just like there are like stock patterns, there are patterns in the chat room, which is funny. Let's check my actual Hebrew server. Let's see if someone is still in something. Yeah, dip and rip. Okay, let's reduce size, I think. Like, I didn't capture anything, which is crazy. I mean, with the whole stream hype and all that, I think I can't really like blame myself. But yeah, it's so hard for me to capitalize off the open. Yeah, think about the dip and rip. I don't know, man. I just can't get the grip of it. Also, like, feels like a gamble to me. Yeah, even if it is with a small size, I don't know, man. Well, what's your favorite color in the room? Yeah, Cactus Rob making memes, I guess. That's what I'm say. Dude, watch because the yeah, the Mighty is getting banned from YouTube. It's so lame. But yeah. Yo, the first time I stream, we get a 240% runner, which is like parabolically straight up, like in 3 minutes, 35% off the open. Gotta give me some credit off of that, you know? Yeah, 50 seconds till resumption. Resumption time. Let's be like RT. That's how RT would have done it. 9:36 and 10 seconds for resumption time. Life is a gamble. Yeah, I guess. Oh, high resumption, man. Holy, holy brother. I have no idea what I'm gonna do, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, should I like insta buy it? Should I like? I have no idea. There's at least like one higher day in it, so that's what I'm think. But oh yeah, there you go. We got some much. Nah, man. I know. I'm not seeing anything. Honestly, what is this? But yeah, it's just me. I know it's just me. That's the thing. Like I know people are capitalizing on it. But yeah, there's the dip. You gotta buy high on that one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, $10 is the hold resumption. Is the hold level. 10.25. Okay. Long. Trying. Okay. Let's get above 9. Saying some more. Setting it all. Big gains, brother. Six. Hesitated. Okay, maybe I should have. Okay. Think it should like that's the thing, like should it go to like $10? Oh no. Maybe I try to snipe some dips off of those levels. Dude. Dude. Yeah, take your gains, bro. Makes sense. Mm. Bro, like I wanna buy a dip, but it's so fucking so quick. Just ain't feeling comfortable with that one. And then you see that like it's so quick. Damn. Then back down. 860s. Can we get a fresh runner, please? Like something else. Yeah, I'm done with this. Like already messed up. Yeah, we need Bibs to be yapping about short sales right now. You see, that's what I mean in terms of the pattern. Like, you already know who's gonna do what in the chat room. If you stick long enough, you already know. Fact that it's holding this level, I think you'll struggle to find a real dip. Yeah, yeah. And when it cracks, it could be like crazy backside. I mean, we saw it all morning. Like stocks did crazy backsides today, especially there. I think DARE. Yeah, this one. This one was crazy. I mean, it didn't have news, I think, but yeah, didn't get caught in it, but it was crazy. But it's Friday, like gotta like retain the gains. Yesterday I had an awesome day. I made like my second biggest win day was yesterday, which was awesome. I made $5,700 yesterday off the pre-market, which is awesome. Like, right? It's right here. Yeah, I should have gotten that dip at of the 1 minute line. At least try, but yeah, maybe a higher low off of that level would work. Let's watch. Maybe the trade is already gone, I think. So quick, the open is so fast. Oh my God. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's the thing, like every time I step in, I try to take a trade, I'm like, I feel like I'm inches away of getting like obliterated, brother, which is crazy. I mean, that's like something I should work on. Like the more I will be trading the open, the better I will get at it, maybe. I don't know. Oh, okay, so it's not just me, I guess, yeah. This thing is wild. But yeah, I don't like to complain. Just want to do my best. Okay, let's see this. 30, I'm long. Adding. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, 50. Okay, there you go, there you go. Making some dineros. Okay, nice, nice. That was a nice trade. That was a 90 buck trade, baby. But it was nice. Yeah, got in 833, sold 860, 880s even. Nice. Okay, now I can be a little bit more cooler with myself. That was good. So yeah, the plan for this stream, I would say it again, like to be trading with you guys, and then like when things cools off in terms of like price action and all that, maybe I will show some stats. I might show my $31,000 trade that I just made in like when was it? I think yeah, start of March, which was ridiculous. Guess I guess most of you know this, but do know this. But yeah, maybe I will show it and I will explain the thought process that I had with this trade. Because it was not like it was luck, but the process, the entry, the risk management is something that I do each and every day. This specific like trade was crazy and the outcome was I didn't expect it, but yeah, I'm doing this thing every day. And one of those times it's gonna pop to $22. I mean, most of you can't relate to this, but yeah. EFY is not fun. It's not. It's not friendly. Yeah. Yeah, this thing. Yeah, I'm done with it. Ain't no way I'm training it. One sec. I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, so for the more like advanced market open guys, let me know what should I be doing now? Should I scalp EFOI? Should I look for a new stock? What do we do now? I have no idea. Usually I cut it off at by right now. Like honestly, most days I'm not even showing up for the open, honestly, because I'm getting cooked. But if I do show up, I just end it over here. To be honest, it's a nice day. I'm up 1.9 R, and if you do the math, let's do the math. Wait, why is the calculator so okay? 1.9 you multiply by 475. Yeah, that's $900 a day. It's definitely keeping the 9 to 5 away, boys. Nice week, yeah. This I think this specific day will put me up to like being up like 5 figures on the week, which is insane. Insanely grateful. The market is hot, you know. The market is very, very hot right now. I don't care what anybody else says. I don't care. Yeah, you know who who it is referred to. But yeah, the market is hot. Big Steve. Big Steve. How many years are you trading? Yeah, I started trading like actually trading small caps since I think September 2023. But it was of course with the demo account. It was not like real money account. Because as you all know, and I knew it back when I was starting, so if you're starting out right now, make sure you understand that trading is risky. You should practice in the simulator, and my results are not typical. Wow, it's crazy to be saying that and not to hear that from other mentors. But yeah, I think I should say it because I got the non-typical results only. It's crazy to say. Jonathan Hasson, if you are an Hebrew speaker, make sure you check out my Discord server. I'm not sure you're there. Go ahead and join. So yeah, yeah. Follow me on Instagram, guys. Preach like the pastor. Holy, wait, Dash, you trading and you hearing me while you trade? Damn, I got some big traders watching me right now. Damn, holy. Yeah, I'm a preach like the pastor for sure, but I don't know if I should be doing it right now because it's literally 9:55. You should have RT on as your special guest. Yeah, Big Daddy RT, brother. No. Yeah, yeah. Not right now. Of course, not right now. It's too early. The preaching must be starting at like I want to say 10:20, 10:30, which is also early, but it depends. Like let's see the market, baby. Let's do it. Like I'm glad you guys are pumped with me because yeah, it's so fucking fun. Oh shit, I cursed. Oh, I cursed again. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Need to watch the map. Here goes the monetizations off. Oh my God, sorry, 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 sorry. Where's Nuclear? Nuclear, say what's up. Yeah, like we all know the price action. If it does come back to high day, it will be in an instant, and most of us will miss it. So the play should be like, the mindset should be like, how can I manage my risk in order to get the pop and not get cooked if it's not working? Yeah, I mean, I have no idea what to do. Yeah, I mean, the thing about the open, let's be more specific. Like, for my style of trading, you can say that I'm trading pre-market, right? But what I'm really looking for is front side, like fresh runners. So the open is literally not it because usually stocks already made some sort of move. That's why I was saying back early in the stream is like, let's hope to get like, let's hope that we get some like fresh runner, which is very rare. And when they do happen, you can see the chart. They are going hard, man. But yeah, I don't know. I mean, the more candles that the stock has, in my opinion, the less predictable it gets. For me. Again, I'm saying this for myself. Like, the earlier the move starts, like, because I know how to actually, how do you say it? To differentiate between a dumper of the pre-market and a runner. And I do it pretty good. Like, I can notice it pretty early, but yeah. There you go, the EFOI pump, the yeah, and then you go back down, and then you flush. That's wild, man. How do you manage risk? Like, how do you actually manage risk up against that? I have no idea. Thank you, Ro. Who this? Who this? Whoa, that's disrespectful, man. Say hi, nice to meet you. Don't be like, who this? Yeah, I'm an RT student. Yeah, I got into the chat room at like, I want to say, when was it? I think early 2024. Yeah, okay, let's log in. 984 is the hold level. Oh my God. What do you do? What do you do? Oh my. Oh, oh, I don't even know what just happened, man. 12% up and then 15% down. Wow. But it's no excuse. Like, people should and are making money on it long side. And also short side, as you can see. But yeah. Is how much ransom for Marty? Marty. I told you that my English is not so good. I have no idea what ransom means. I know that there is a song of like, can't remember the rapper, but I have no idea what ransom means. You know the song? I got that. I don't want what you know. Let's check it out. What went so? So wait, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to let me know. Oh, oh, I get. You want RT so bad, I guess, huh? Okay, I'm sorry. RT will be back, I think, in like, I want to say later this month. That's what he said. But yeah. Okay, so after this big candle week, the thing that comes back to mind is like, at least for my mind, is like, will it ever reclaim the level? Because if shorts got aggressive over there of the low of that candle, they might be in trouble if it gets back up. So, especially if it does happen real quick. And we know in this type of an environment, this could happen. So there you go. 870, 870, waiting, waiting, waiting. Let's try and get some rolling. Oh no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 okay. It could be another higher low, which is not the bullish, this like the bullish outcome, but okay, 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 okay. Let's buy a dip. My God, my order is stuck. What do you mean? You guys saw that, right? Okay, okay. Usually when I get the lag, it's because the stock is gonna go higher. Okay, let's hold some. Small size, 100 shares. Goofball size, 890. Waiting. Let's oh my God. Okay, 5 cents loss. And then it back up. Amazing, Brad. Ah. But yeah, the thesis is still alive, I think. Especially how it reclaimed after I got stopped out. Let's see. 77. Dippity dip. 81. No. Wait, wait, wait. Trying some. Okay, adding. Oh my. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, gave back some money. And yeah. Turned out to be another higher, lower high. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not the only one who has lag, I guess. But usually when they lag, it's when stock will go higher. So I don't know. Okay, let's reduce size even more, I guess. If you guys can't see the 10-second chart correctly, let's fix this up. Let's do it like that. Then okay. Then you're able to see it better, I guess. Don't see the level two. Okay. Okay. Gotcha. Yeah, 90% of the chat doesn't know what a home market is. I mean, yeah, I don't. I honestly don't. Like, you guys were killing it back in like February 2024. I mean, I was like in the simulator back then, but I don't remember anything. Use Daytrade Dash? No, I'm not using Daytrade Dash. I use Charts Watcher, which is the better option, I guess. I'm gonna show it for you guys for a second. Let's see. I think RT told me it is fine to show scanner for a little bit. Okay, that's the scanner right there. As you can see, the UI is somewhat like Daytrade Dash, but it's just better. Oh, RMSG. Wait, oh, no volume. Okay, but there you go. That's the scanner that I use, which is just like Daytrade Dash, but it's not Daytrade Dash. And you can have your own customizations. You don't have to have like two different scanners to just watch penny stocks, which is nonsense. But yeah, I think it's the better, the better option. PBM pushing 9. Are you seriously trading that? Blink twice if RT is holding you hostage. No, I reached out. I told him, man, let me have some good times with the boys. That's what I told him. He was like, yeah, sure. Why they didn't know Fridays could be this fun. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, how do you trade this, man? I don't even have any ideas because I know I will get chopped. So like, you gotta have like, um, okay. Sometimes it gets off of sync, the clock, but yeah. Oh, and it's broke out. Okay. And it's okay. Glad I missed it, I guess. Wow. Wait, let's fix the clock real quick with you guys. Sorry. And it's back up. Wow, 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 wow. Awesome, awesome, awesome. I wish someone would have like shown me what to actually be doing on those types of scenarios, but you know, can be leaking edge. Oh my God. Wait, and there you go. Yeah, fix the clock. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Reducing size even more. Okay, 924. I need big volatility, but I need stable price action. That's the thing. And you can't get it off the open. Let's see. Buying the dip, getting smoked. Uh, you just mistimed it because, yeah, it jumped out of sub 9. Yeah. Okay, let's see. 15, 13. Going good. My God. Oh, nice exit. Okay, got 9 cents. Like, got like, how much? Do the math, do the math, do the math. Yeah, 13 cents. Okay. Out of like how many shares? 120. Okay. Buy McDonald's off of that, baby. Now with dips. Okay. Let's try and capture some. P5. Go. Okay. Okay, getting some dips, bro. And yeah, 4 cent winner, by the way. This man is very handsome. He must do looks, Maxine. What do you mean? I'm a bit retard, Maxine, bro. Ain't you seeing that? That's what we doing out of here. That's the way to become successfully a profitable trader. You know? Yeah, I'm joking, but in order to be a successful, profitable trader, you gotta put in the time and the work and also like the deep thoughts. Like I remember back in the day, I was watching price action and I tried to like really understand the meaning within the actual candles and like what does a big bid actually means, what the market should do, what it actually does, which was hard times, but looking at it, hindsight was the greatest times ever, when I was a broke kid. I was watching like the guys make millions of dollars every day. I was like, yeah, ain't no way. Ain't no way I'm not becoming profitable. I mean, I never did, and I don't think I will. Like, I don't know, man. It depends on the liquidity and all of that. But yeah, back in the day when the guys were making like 10, 20, 30K days, like nothing, that was that was fire, man. But it mainly depends on the liquidity. Like yesterday, I was pushing big size, and also like if I want to be able to make that type of money, I must I must lock in like at regular trading hours too, because ain't gonna be like going with 50,000 shares on a $5 stock. That's insane. You can't be doing that unless you are you know who. But yeah, if you want to make more money, talking to myself, gotta be looking in of the open. Oh, so everyone is having hard times with this EFOI, I guess. Okay. This is RTs and humble traders kit. Oh my god. Uh, wait, KB, is it the real KB? Like, is it? The legend himself? I thought this guy was the myth. Rare KB appearance, yeah. Oh, wait, that's the real KB. Yeah, yeah, I don't think it is. Only RT knows, I guess. Oh no, wait a minute. What do you mean, Nortel? I already hooked you up. Amazing work, bro. Star in the making. Thank you, Daddy. North Sale, brother. I sent you the link. What do you mean? Already hooked you up. I'm not like doing it like in some sort of like traditionally like connecting it to the clock or something. I just wait for the clock to show like 5 minutes and then I just let it roll. And sometimes I fix it because as time goes on it freaks out. Chicken. Okay, let's wait a second. So yeah, the male high float popping up on the scans. We don't give a damn. BZAI. What is it? What do you mean? Oh, yeah, baby. Flash runner with no volume. Yo, let me know. Is this day dead or not? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, to be honest, I also do like content for Hebrew speakers, so sorry guys. But yeah, the English guys are already be dominating the scene, so you got me here and there streaming for RT, but I don't know. I don't think I will ever do like YouTube and all that in like English, of course. Yeah, it's dead. But it's Friday, you can't complain. I mean, yeah, Dash said like that later we will be able to be preaching, but I think the later was meant to be at like 10:30, I guess. I don't know. Dash is the GOAT, so we gotta understand what he says and go after it. Mm. Yeah, let's switch back to A4, I guess. Yeah. Backside. Yeah, in 7 minutes, we're gonna be preaching. I'm gonna be right back in a few secs. Can officially say that this day is cooked. Okay, let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna walk you through my end of day routine, which is like, well, hold on, wait. I need to get into my broker. I don't want anything to be leaked. Okay, so let's get in. Export trades from thing of swim. A bit. I think I need to also fix my screen, right? Because, yeah. Hold on, give me a sec. Yeah. Need to, like, move this. Oh, we can't be seen my level 2. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Think with that. With that. Also, let's move that. Okay. So, wait. Why is this like? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, so we're good, we're good, we're good. Okay. Let's get into DAS. And you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna show you my executions for today, you know? Just for the today. Gonna be licking edge. Licking edge, licking whatever you wanna be, you want me to be licking. Okay, there go. Whoa, what's going on? Okay. Where is my execution? What do you mean? What? What's going on with the DAS? Wait, what? What's going on? Why is it like? Wait, let me load back my. Yep. Okay. Okay. Let's try again. So yeah, all over the place. All over the place. Okay. ICG. Okay. Now we got it, baby. ICG. Main stock of the pre-market today. I think I screwed up today on this one because I was getting cooked on the dips. But yeah, okay, taking a screenshot. Okay, you guys gonna be seeing so much edge. Okay, so going ICG. I'm gonna show you the process. Okay, ICG, writing the date, then saving it up. That's what I think every like trader should be doing each and every day. So we got there. And then we had what stickers we already have. I mean, yeah, it removed my actual positions. Let's see, let's see. Oh yeah, I know how to get it. Wait. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Sorry, guys, sorry, guys. Um, okay. Yeah, I can see it from the stream. Okay, there, EFOI. EFOI. I think I already. Oh, I didn't. Okay. And it's bugging over again. No. Okay, EFOI. Taking a screenshot of that. FOI. Then we had ICG. I already took a screenshot. ISPC was a penny runner back in the pre-market. Didn't make much money. Was choppy. And then the main winner for me was Yuka. We'll show you this one too. Let's see, also got cooked on this penny. As you guys may already know, I'm a penny trader. I love sub-dollar stocks. I know Mighty says that he hates penny stocks, but he's lying because when he was in a rut, he was making his money mostly out of penny stocks. So he can't be hating on those. Okay, Yuka. Okay, there you go. This is my biggest winner. I think I got like mega size on this little dip, and I got it all the way to here, so that was nice. Okay, something's popping on the scanner. Nah, doesn't matter. So yeah, backsides from pre-markets were brutal today. Brutal. Okay, and now that we have all our screenshots, what I usually do is take that, go to my organized, and then I do this. That. So yeah, now I got everything set. As you can see, I have this for all of my days. I think everyone should do it. But yeah, okay. So let's make the stats appear. Let's have the chat opened. Let's start switching. What's the main idea of the alarm timer? I mean, I usually, when I just told you, I'm mainly trading the pre-market, so sometimes like every like 30 minutes, there's like breaking news. So I want to be able to like have an alarm pop in like every like 5 minutes. So it's mainly because of that. I initially did it because I wanted to have a grip on like when the 5 minute candle is about to close, but I don't look at that. Ain't be looking at that. Okay, let's see the day, baby. Let's see the day. Okay. Yeah, of course I got you. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, no fees, no. No. Need to redo the, yeah. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's try and export again. Maybe now it will work because it didn't show the fees for some reason. So what I usually do with trades fees when it happens, I redo the export. Okay, so that's the day, baby. up 850 mangoes, as the mighty would have said. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's not good. Like, I was up 900 and then I gave everything back on ICG, which is not bueno. Let's post my P&L in the chat, baby. $900 a day. Let's do it with you guys. 9 day keeps the stream in check. Okay. Let's see some days. Let's see some days, baby. Okay. I mean, no one will be posting right now. Oh, let's see how they might. Oh, wait, what? This guy, man. Bro. Oh my God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I gotta be doing some open. Mainly open, right? Wow, 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 wow. 6 grand for the mighty. Holy. Let's go. Okay, let's view the month for a bit. Okay. This month is going pretty awesome. As you can see, like my previous biggest green day, excluding CIIT, was back in September 2025, which was like 5 grand, which is awesome. And yesterday I gave back like I want to say $900 off the top. No, I'm not trading on Weibo. I'm trading on POS. POS, and I usually had my another broker, which was Ocean One, but nowadays I'm moving from brokers, so I'm currently moving to Sage Trader, and it takes some time, like getting the money and like getting everything set. So I'm currently using just Charles Schwab, unfortunately. But yeah, gave back like $900 off the top, and I was like, yeah. And as you can see, I'm not trading open, which is not good. I'm not. I just don't want to see. I don't want to see it. Today, let's see how much I made off the open. Should be nothing, but yeah. Let's see. Mm, let's see the open. Yeah, 70 buck. God damn it. 70 buck. Okay. Mm, yeah. So this year is going pretty well for me. Not gonna like you guys. Let's see the stats. Set all. We set net profits. Of course, nobody cares about your gross profits. Yeah, 15 grand on the month. Let's see if it's a 5-figure week. Yes, it is. Let's go. Okay, 10 grand on the week. Insane, insane, insane. What? This is crazy money. This is crazy money for me. As a reminder, you already know, I think, I'm 23 years old and I'm making this type of money. I'm grateful, man. There's no other way to be saying that. I mean, yeah, crazy, crazy, crazy. And also, okay, let's see the year. 70 grand on the year. Wow. Damn. So, maybe we should start the preaching with like me explaining what I did with this like 30K a day. I think it should be fun. But thing is, like, I don't want the desktop audio that goes out of the video to be echoing with me like talking. So I don't know how I would be able to do that, but I don't know. Let me know if it will be an issue. I don't know how I can sort it out. Okay, so where is it? Where is the clip? Yeah, it's the clip. There it is. Okay, okay, we got the clip. Okay, okay. You guys are able to see. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, okay, okay. Got the level 2, we got everything rolling. Okay, let's do it on mute, you guys already saw I don't get your edge. Nice, that's good. Don't get it. Okay, good. That's a good sign, baby. Okay, okay, so let's get into my POV right there. Okay, so you know what? Let's first view my trades from last month. Okay. So I finished up the month up 37 bands, which is a PR month for me. But, which is a big but. As you guys can see, I'm doing well. I'm making money, but, and it's a big but, I think from out of all of the profitable traders that you will see and meet, I think, and I'll be honest with you guys, I think I am the most emotional trader, the most emotional trader that you would ever see. A profitable one, I mean, which is crazy. I'm working on my emotions. I'm working on like stabling myself. But yeah, as you can see, like if you pull up my all-time P&L, you would see like I have big red days. Let's exclude CIT for a second. I usually have big red days when I'm red. You see it. You see it. That's a fat red day. That's another fat one. I'm yeah. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno. That's for the year. Oh no, that's full range. Yeah, let's do also this account. Yeah, I'm losing big. And as you can see, like you don't see anything over here because I was using small size, but even back when I was using small size, I was losing big when I was losing. Like see that? You see that? That's some big red days. And yeah, I'm working on it, but you know, struggling and like fighting the market and all that, it's not good, but sometimes when you do so, you actually gain some benefit out of it. Again, like not like the literal benefit of like making money, but you gain experience out of it, you know what I'm saying? So it definitely got me some better skills on me from like revenge training and all that. But yeah, of course, that's not good. And I'm working on it. Like back in the day, I used to have like much bigger drawdowns than what I have right now. But yeah, like look at that. That was my biggest ever drawdown back in May. But wait. We're going all over the place. Let's review CIT for a bit. Oh my God. Yeah. Hope you guys having a nice time with me. Okay. So let's review CIT. Oh, we want to see the perspective over on it from last month. Okay. So I was about to say, let's get dialed in again. I was red $1,700 a day before that. I was in a drawdown. I'm back in here in Mexico. I'm on a vacation and I want to be able to pay some bills. You know, I already got money like backed up for that trip, no doubt about it. But you know, you want to be able to see some cash flowing into your account, especially when you are in a vacation and you spend a lot of money, relatively speaking. So I lost $1,700 that day, and as you can see, the just spiraling. You know, I was up 600, then I lost it all, and I lost $1,700, which at that time was a drawdown. You know, let's see the drawdown. Like, oh, I guess I can do it like that. Okay, let's like before CIT, that's how the month was looking. I was like green $900, which is nothing, okay? And then CIT came. But before that, I was like, yeah, let's see, what the hell am I supposed to do now? Like, let's sort this shit out. Oh, I cursed again. Let's see, what do I need to do in order to be a better trader? Let's see, like, what do I need to do? And the first thing that came into mind is like disconnecting from the PNL. So in order to do that, what I did is I started using R multiples. And the way I did it is like I set it to be like I just I how you say it? I reviewed my stats and all that and I saw my sizing and I was like, yeah, R should be set to like $350, something like that. And yeah, that's how I rolled with it. And then after I got the big winner, I was like scaling my R, and now R is at 450, which is like, see the increase, something like that to there. Look. So I increased my size by 35%, something like that. I think it's even more than that, but yeah. Okay. So I was in drawdown. I was like, yo, what do I need to do in order to get out of this drawdown? And then this came. Okay. So this was the first time ever I was using R that day. Wait, where is it? Where is the clip? Okay, there's the clip. Okay. Okay. So initially I was seeing CIT. I wasn't like really up on the day that much. Back in the day, 0.64R, I think I was up like $200 on the day, something like that, 250. And then CIT came around. As you can see, those candles were like very aggressively down. And I was like, okay. It had no news back then, and I was like, okay, maybe I should just not trade it, I guess. I was like, okay, let's give up on it. And then this green candle came around, and I was like, okay, let's shut down this candle. Okay, I was like, yeah, those two big red candles, yeah, it's going up and up and up. I'm like, yeah, I have nothing to do with that. Like, I don't want to be chasing it, but if it keeps going higher, maybe I could scalp like a quick higher day scalp. And usually this type of trade is like very aggressive in my opinion. So the way I have it configured is like, let's say I want to be buying like 4K size. Let's say I want to buy 4K size, and I have three hotkeys. One hotkey is to buy 4K size. The other one will be like buy 60% of that size, which will be 4,000, and you multiply it by 60%. So the number is going to be 2,400. And then I have another hotkey to buy 40% of that 4,000 size, which will be 4,000, and you multiply it by 40%, and it's going to be 1,600%. Okay, so I used the small risk hotkey. That's what I'm trying to be saying to you guys. Wait. Okay, so then it shoots up, I'm like, yeah, let's try and get some long. And I'm like, wait. And then it goes without me. So I was like, yeah, throw some risk. Let's go 2,200 size. That's what I did. And then as you can see, the fill was so slow. It filled 100, 1200, 100, 691. It makes no sense because, first of all, my size is so small. And like, second of all, like, yeah, my size is so small. You shouldn't be filling me like that. Give me like full fill. It's 2,200 size. It's nothing. And then what happened is this. I was like, yeah, let's sell it at 61 if I can. And then it goes higher and higher and higher. I'm like, yeah, let's just hold. Then we saw a bid, which is normal. And then and then this happens. And then this happens. And I'm trying to sell, as you can see right now, at 1.5. The bid is at 1.7. So what happened is I got rejected because my limit order was so off the actual price. And then I got rejected. Yeah, your limit is significant above the current price. Then I was trying to sell again. I'm now 373. The price is at 422. Again, getting rejected. As you can see, I'm trying to cancel the order because I see I'm not filling, but that what actually happened there is that the order automatically got rejected, not because of me. And wait, let's turn this off too. Okay. And then I'm trying to sell again. Right now it's selling for 1437. That wasn't the limit price. I think what happened there is I tried to sell on the ask, which is why I got filled actually. That's interesting. I don't remember what I actually did. But yeah. Then it filled me 1437. And let's play the clip. I'm gonna mute myself real.
כמה זה 80 R? 80 כפול 300. כמה זה 80 R?
SGN.
Hey, fucking cheap. 24K day.
SGN.
Hey, then the kids they have to fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. וואו. 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 וואו, 100,000 שקל. נודר עשיתי 100,000 שקל.
So yeah, so I was also yelling in Hebrew after that, so that I actually not cursing. Okay, I was saying that holy, I made 100,000 shekels in 12 seconds. That's what I was saying. Shalom, Mr. Runner. How you doing? Do you speak Hebrew? Okay, so that was the trade. That was crazy. And then everything changed because from what I know from my stats, wait, let me see if you see me correctly. Okay, so from what I know from my stats is usually when the market is hot, I know how to size up. I know how to size up. And the thing is, like, as you can see, that was March, and then I increased my size, and then I had a $1,500 green day, and I was working with myself so fucking hard. Oh, okay, I invested in. Oh my God. So I was working so hard about literally like being dialed in, getting focused, and like not being emotional the next day. Because what usually happens, and it happens to many traders of us, like I got so many tips out of you guys, like in MMU and like other Discord servers. You guys helped me a lot with like, yo, make sure you dial in tomorrow and trade the best, leave the rest. That's what I did, and it went good. And yeah, shout out to Stefan, bro. Shout out to Stefan. He helped me a lot. He's a beast. But yeah. But what I was saying, like, yeah, I saw someone in the chat mentioning that my red days are not so bad, and you were saying that I have like 3K average red day. That's not okay, man. Like, let's see, that's a better view of it. Let's exclude CIIT for a second again. Wait, not like that. You should be doing it like that. 100,000 shekels, baby. Yes, sir, Dash. You know the lingo, baby. Okay. So yeah, that's not good, I think. I don't like it. Too many the red days are big. But yeah, I worked on it. Back in the day that was much worse, you know? It was very awful. Like having a $4,600 red day. Still to this day, that's my biggest red day. I had like this one, 3,600. But yeah, if you can see, let's check my drawdowns. Yeah. Yeah, so 5K drawdown, 5,500. I think that's fine. I mean, I don't know. Relative to the money I make right now, it's fine. But back in the day, like that's not okay. Like, but this drawdown was awful, man. This drawdown came after me acting with overconfidence. Like that was crazy. Let's read some comments. What we just saw is your dream came true. Blessing for you. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I think the reason why everyone is so pumped about the clip that I got $30,000 off of is mainly like if it would have happened to any other trader, like I think the issue. I don't want to call it issue, but you guys don't film yourself when you trade. I do. So even if you did get it, it wouldn't like other people wouldn't be able to enjoy your gain as much as they enjoyed my gain because I shared the clip and it was so fun. But yeah, um, and I think that's why everyone is so happy about the clip because every single one of you guys would have reacted the same way that I did. I think that's fair to say. But yeah, okay. So do you guys want to know when I started trading? Let's do it. Okay, so the journey starts actually with Trade Zero because I heard some mentor that said that this is the best broker for offshore brokers, which is false. But yeah, I was using Trade Zero back in the day, and actually before that, I don't have stats showing, but I was trading in the simulator back in like I want to say September 2023, and I found Ross at like I think February, yeah, February 2023. I got his course from my brother-in-law. Shout out to you, Idan Sorojon. I love you. But yeah, I got the course and then I was reviewing it like constantly, like each and every day. I think there is a chapter, maybe some of you guys know, that is called Parabolic Momentum. It's chapter 11. I don't think it's available anymore right now, but back in the day it was a thing. And wow, I think I watched this lecture like I think 3 times at least, like maybe 5 times, and it's a 3 hour long lecture. So I watched it. I watched every other like video of the course. I think I gained a lot of benefits out of it. But yeah, and then I was paper trading. When I say paper trading, I literally mean it. Like maybe I have a clip, but I used to be documenting my trade. Like let's say I was watching the level two, honest to God. Let's say I was watching the level two and I was like, yeah, I think I want to be entering right there. And I was like, yeah, tick a V. I was like literally ticking a V, and then I knew approximately where the ask is, and then I was like, yeah, that's where I got filled. I did it mainly because I was a brokey. I didn't want to be paying to any like service, which was a it's not something that it's not that I'm not proud of it, but it's just it's better to pay like $100 to DAS or something and have a simulator rolling, you know. But yeah, I'm trying to find out if I able to quickly get the. I think I have it. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Follow along with me, brothers. No, I don't have it. Oh my god. I wasted all of you guys' times. But yeah, just imagine it. I was literally paper trading. So then I was like, yeah, I have some sort of like profitability. It wasn't like really documented. I didn't really know my actual edge, but I was like, yeah, let's throw like a $1,500 account into TradeZero. So that's what I did. And I kid you not, follow along and you'll see. Okay. So I was trading, like lost money, made some money. But then, honest to God, this is like a week before the crazy parabolic momentum that happened at 2024 BMR HOLO saga, which I don't know if some of you guys, most of you guys should know it, but it was an era when everybody was making loads of money, and some people that know me good will actually know that I remember like stupid stuff really well. Like I remember all I do is twin making 40 grand from that one of those days. I think it was this day, February 12th. She made 40 grand. Mighty was making 40 grand. RT was making 26 grand. Tim was making like I want to say, can't remember, made 26 grand. All of those were PR days back in the day. I think Crispy made like I don't know 40 grand too. Everyone was making loads of money. And my lucky beginner self was like out there. And I kid you not, let's see the stats. I think it was this day. Yeah, I got BMR. I bought the whole top. I kid you not, I bought the whole top at 868. I got pinned exactly to the hold level. I bought so high, and then I got like a $3 resumption price, and I was like, yeah, let's hold that. And I got $500 off of that trade, 43% gain for a newbie. That's God's plan, baby. That's actually God's plan. Yeah, I kid you not, that really happened. And yeah, good times, good times, good times. But yeah, as you already saw the P&L, let me see. Of course, I lost money. And let's see the P&L chart. Yeah, I lost money. Of course, I did. I lost my like one big trade, and then everything was BS losses. Okay, but let's see my TradeZero progress. Okay. Yes, so I made some money. I was like, as you can see, I like doubled the account back then, somewhat doubled the account, and then I lost it all, of course. And this was a hot market, but I just had no skill on me. So in order for me to be actually making money at this specific environment, it should have been like mega, 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 mega momentum, which was what happened back in February 12th. So yeah, that's what happened. And then I lost a lot of money. I slowly lost a lot of money. As you guys can see, it's like drawing down, drawing down, drawing down. But if you actually check the dates, you will see that I took some times off. Not off of trading, but I was training in a simulator back then. So yeah, yeah, as you can see, last trade February 23rd, and then April 8th. So I took some time off of the real account. I was training in the simulator. I was doing awful. I was honestly doing awful. I remember trading this day, I think, or that day. I was losing, and I came back to the real account because I was like, yeah, it's a hot day. Let's do it. I think this day was, can't remember the ticker. Tim was making loads of money. Marcelo was making tons of money, and I lost money, of course. But yeah, makes sense. But for me, the thing is, I didn't risk much money. It was big money back then, but it's not. It's $1,500. It's nothing. And for me, it felt really bad. And I got some good like, how you say it? I took the benefit out of it because I didn't like, okay, let's keep revenge trading, let's load more money back into the account. I was not like that. I was like, yeah, let's keep on practicing, let's be on the simulator and all that. So I was in the simulator back then. So let's say from April till like June, I was in the simulator and I was doing awful. I don't have stats because it's the simulator, but I was doing awful. I was losing money every day in the simulator and I was really bad. Back then, I was watching Trading with Tim, which is my GOAT. He's my role model. I think from all of the mentors that I learned from, Tim has special part in my heart. And I think many people would also be able to relate and say that. And it makes sense because Tim really cared. Tim was posting his archives every day. He was caring, he was sharing, he was doing everything. This guy, man, I owe him like everything. But yeah, so then I decided to like train the simulator. As I told you, I lost a lot of money in the simulator, and I saw my stats and I compared my stats to Tim, and I saw like, wait, my feels as I grew and became a better trader, and I understand and I was understanding the markets better. I understand what actual bad and good feels are. And in the simulator, you might be getting like good feels, like fast feels, but the actual feel is horrible. Especially back in the day when TOS had the price improvement, and you a lot of time when you buy red on the tape, you would get filled on the bid. So in the simulator, it was not a thing, and I was like, yeah, you know what? Screw it. What I'm gonna be doing is I will be doing one share trading. And a lot of you guys knew me back then. I was doing one shares. I was like constantly scalping with one share, and I grew a lot out of it. I honestly grew a lot out of it. Like I'm glad I did it, and I think everyone should be doing it. If you're not profitable, you shouldn't be trading real money. You should be trading with 1 to 2 shares. You should be trading with no risk at all because you don't want to be running out of capital when you actually don't know anything about the market. All it will be doing for you is just like increase your emotional like behavior, and it's not good. Just don't do it. And no, I was not using TOS sim. I was using Daytrade Dash sim. No, the Ross sim. You know what I mean. But yeah. Okay, so I was using like 1 to 2 shares, doing pretty well. Like as you can see, this stretch, I'm like, yeah, this stretch is like how many long? How long days? It's like 7, 10 trading days, something like that. And this is me being consistent. And I'm like, yeah, that's because of the goddamn simulator. Like, let's go. I know what I'm doing. I knew it. And I was like so confident within myself. I was like, yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then I lost big. As you can see, I was up $3.77. And back in the day, I was like seeing this as this. I was multiplying every P&L of mine with like $500. So in my mind, I made $1,800. That's what and I really, really, really believed it. Like I knew it. If I can do what I'm doing with the 1 to 2 shares, I can definitely scale it up like 500 times. Of course. And, and yeah, that's what I was doing. And then I lost big. Max loss back in the day was like 50 cents, I think, and I lost $3 that day. Yeah, I lost $3 because I was not really as good of a trader back then. But yeah, that's what happened. And then I kept on going, doing well. That was July 2024, doing well. And then August came around. August 2024. Okay, let's view it over there. So, yeah. Okay. Then June 2024 came. Sorry, that was June. And then there's July 2024. That's July 2024. And that's August 2024. August 2024 was me losing big. I was like, yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm trying to scalp, but scalps are not really working so well for me. I'm doing the hyper scalping thing that everyone is talking about, and I can't catch anything. Mainly it's because I was like, yeah, maybe it's latency because I'm in Israel or something like that. I was like, I don't know. But yeah, I tried doing many other things. Like I was trying to hold longer. I was trying to look at things a little bit differently. I was trying pre-market. Back then I hated pre-market because I was always over trading back then and always like getting smoked on the big like dumpers that you often see in pre-markets. I wasn't as experienced. That's the thing. And September was a break-even month, and then October 2024, I was like, yeah, I might try this pre-market one more time. Tried it again, lost big. That's a big loss. $2.37. It's a lot of money back then. Not in terms of like financial thing, but you know what I'm saying. In terms of like scaling and all that, I was looking at this number as I'm read like $1,800 or something. But yeah, lost money, lost money, lost money, lost money. And then I started pivoting and I was switching to pre-market, and then it all came around. Like November 2024, I was pushing size. As you can see, I'm growing my size by a bit. By a bit, it also means like over there, I was increasing my size by 10x, but I was using no size, so it's not like a 10x increase. But yeah. And also December 2024, I started like, okay, I got something rolling. Let's start increasing size. I knew what I was doing. Like, let's do it. December was good. January was awesome. January 2025 was awesome. I think it was a really, really, really hot market. And I remember the guys were making like loads of money back again. I think team was up like $220,000 on that month. Yeah, I like back then I was like, yeah, I know my edge. Like, let's go. I know what I'm doing. And I kept on practicing, kept on going, kept on going. But also, always, always, always had the issue with the big ass red days. Big red days were always a thing for me, unfortunately. Maybe it's the way I trade, maybe it's the way my brain works. I don't know. Sometimes I just lose my mind, which is terrible. But yeah, that's February 2025, made $775. Was losing every Thursday. That was crazy. I don't know why. But yeah, that's the thing. Increased my size for a bit. That's what, wait, January I think was my first $100 red days. $100 green day. Yeah, that was lit. Like I haven't made that amount of money profitably with like actual edge. Never. I never did it. Like as you saw back in February 2024, I did make like 500, but you know, it doesn't really count because it was pure luck. But yeah, February 2025, $775. March 2025, trading really awfully. That was like really awful performance. But yeah, I made $700. And then April came around. And then this was a good month. I was increasing my size. Market was good. I'm like, let's go, baby. Let's do it. $4,000. $4,000. First time ever that I was making money from trading. And back then, like, oh, I forgot to say this, but I was working like on another job to get some money saved for PDT. I was like doing deliveries. I think in the US it called like the company that does it is like Dash, I think, something like that, DoorDash. So just it's not DoorDash in Israel, but it's the same concept. That's what I was doing. And then May came around. May is a big month for me. May is a crazy month for me, to be honest. May is a month where I was like, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Let's go. Let's push sides. I'm the best trader ever. I'm better than everyone. I remember, honestly, I remember like watching P&Ls back in the day. And if like I saw like, I remember like watching Teams P&L and I was like, yo, I need to make that money. I remember it happened for me at least once. I remember that. And it's not a good mindset. And like, no, I'm not trading with him. I'm not Mighty. I'm not RT. I'm not none of those guys. I'm a beginner. And that's what I missed. And yeah, big red days, big red days. I remember trading like all day long back in that day. All day long. And I lost money at the end. All of it was lost at the end. And I was up 1700. I was not trading well. I was trading with emotions. That's not how you're supposed to be trading. Also, and if you would want to know what triggered that day, is this day. May 9th, all your income comes from trading, or you have, yeah, I'm just trading. Okay, now I'm just trading. Okay, so as you can see, mega tilt red day was red 1800, then I slammed highs on some random, what was the name? SYTA. Maybe I can find the execution chart from back in the day. Yeah, there you go. Is it this? Yeah, there it is. As you can see, mega tilt. Look at this. I had like 20,000 shares over there, which is not okay. And then I got all the move. And we all know that it's not good behavior. But yeah, was losing, and then I was revenge trading, and I got the benefit out of it. And I'm not doing it anymore, honest to you. Like maybe like out of like crazy like 3 months, I will have such day like that, but I'm not doing it anymore. Not doing it anymore. And yeah, I had some big days. I had some, yeah, but you know what? Yeah, that day, man, that day was crazy. I remember that day. Look, I was up. No, it's not that day. Sorry, 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 sorry. I want to find this emotional green day. I think it's that day, maybe. Yeah, check this out, man. I was up 6 grand, baby. 6 grand. I never made that amount of money. And then I proceed and I kept on trading with no more size and I just lost, 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 lost. Then I recouped it all and then I lost more. That's not okay. Yeah. The momentum back then was lit. I remember that. It was lit. But yeah, nowadays you don't see me do it. But yeah. But then reality hits and I lost, 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 lost. This is my biggest ever red day, still to this day. I was mega tilting that day, lost $4,600. Crazy, crazy bad trading, but yeah. Yeah. And then I went into a long, long, long drawdown. And then June came around, and June, the thing about June is I was, I think there was some momentum. I would say that, but wait, why is it not showing like, oh, wait, June. We want June 2025. Yeah, we got June 2025. And the thing is, like, there was some crazy momentum. I think Ross made at those types of days, I think he made like $300,000 in one of those days. I remember that. There was a crazy, like, higher priced runner back in pre-market. And back in the day, I was so bad at those. And even though the market was actually hot back then, it was not my momentum. And I lost so much money out of it. And of course, I was sizing incorrectly and I was just doing emotional stuff. But that was the time I was like, yeah, let's reset, baby. I'm in a drawdown. I'm not planning on getting out of it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's recoup discipline. Let's recoup my skill as a trader. And let's just work on being a better trader. That's what I did. And it was June that I was in a drawdown. It was July that I was in a drawdown. I was in a drawdown in July and I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna show you the clip. I'm gonna show you some clips. I'm gonna show you some clips, baby. Because I'm a transparent trader. That's what I learned from my daddy RT. We gotta be transparent. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm sure. No, but I'm cursing there. No, no, I cannot show it. I will show you with mute. Okay, that's how we're gonna be doing it. Wait, wait, wait. I must show you that. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, of course I got it. Yeah, check this out. Just just imagine what I said there. You already know. Yeah, that's back from July. Check this out. Yeah, I was all over the place. I fought some crazy demons in my own head. I had crazy like P&L curves back then, which I also already have right now, but I know how to manage it a little better. But yeah, crazy days, crazy drawdown, crazy times, crazy everything, and yeah, recouped some of it like green month, $2,500. That's You can buy groceries with that. But yeah, I had my money set. Like, to be honest, I live with my parents. They got me all set. I don't need to finance anyone, so it's fine. But yeah, I was in a drawdown. I was like, yeah, let's do it. Let's wake up discipline, and I did it. $2,500. And then August was the month of redemption. August 2025. I made $5,000, which was awesome. It was awesome mainly because I was not pushing size. It's like normal size. It's very small. Like, let's check one of those days, like maybe this day. I was trading pennies. I was like very selective. Let's see, PNL. Let's check my biggest position. Total volume. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I had one trade with like 15K size, which is big, but the rest is not so big. Oh, I think it's a penny, right? Oh my God. Yeah, it was a really small stock. I think it was like a 20-cent stock, so it's not so big, as you can see. So yeah, I was not pushing sides. I was just being very disciplined and like let's prove myself that I can be a good trader, and that's what I did. That's what I did. Made 3 grand that week, and I was like, wow, let's go, let's go, let's go. And then, yeah, yeah, we've all had moments like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. But you guys don't record yourself. You just keep it to yourself. Yeah, I'm joking. So yeah, September 2025 came along and I made 27 bands. Holy no, don't curse. $27,000. That's mad money. The thing about that month is like, yeah, I came out of like August 2025 with like good confidence. I was like very impressed with myself. I was like, yeah, let's go. I'm doing well. Let's slowly increase size. Slowly increase size. But yeah, I had a good week that week. And then on September 8th, everything changed because at September 8th we had the crazy runner, which you may already know if you're here along for long enough. OLBS made that run. It was insane. It was insane, and I didn't capitalize off of it, but I already know my edge. I don't care. I'm like, okay, it's a crazy stock. Let's just wait for the next one. And then the next one came around later on the next day. It was crazy. I think the name was, let's check. The name was, I can't remember, but it was a crazy good runner. I capitalized so well. What's the name? Yeah, CWD, VCIG, MMA, YOUL. That was insane. That was an insane runner back in the day. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. So I made $4,500 and I was like, yeah. Whew. And my mindset back then was like, push size, push size. I don't care. You know what you're doing. Push size. And I'm like, okay, let's push size. And from this month, I know better that when market is hot and I'm in the mindset of a hot market, just as I am right now, I know how to capitalize and I know how to push size. And yeah, I got it mainly from September 2025. But yeah, had some good days, had some like I don't know, like I'm always learning, guys. Just so you know, even at those specific months, at this specific month, sorry, I made some major mistakes. Like I made 5 grand, which is my PR day, but I'm telling you, and I'm not hiding this, I'm an emotional trader. I was up 4 grand, lost 7 grand, then make 5 grand back. Honestly, which is not good. But back in the day, I remember this. I was pushing too much size, too much size. So I had like problems with liquidity. And when you add liquidity issues and you also add losses and you add um, emotional struggles because of it, it can create like a big snowball. But yeah, market was too hard for me to actually lose that type of money. So I recouped it all back. But yeah, other days I think are fine. Yeah, I'm not so crazy. Yeah, not no crazy drawdowns and all that. 2K day, nice. $3,800 green day, which is solid. Just going up and up and up. That's how you want to be seeing this. But I'm telling you guys, I still had issues. Look, I was up 3 grand, gave it all back. honestly. Yep. And then October 2025 came around, still having trouble with. Wait. Oh, that's when I added my another broker, so we need to do that. So yeah. And then, okay, again, you're doing this nonsense. Wait a minute. Okay, October 2025 made 8,300, mainly from this week. But yeah, had some big losses. And yeah, it was mainly because maybe I was adding another broker, so it was an issue. But yeah, October 2025, November 2025 was, oh my God, this month was awful, man. This month was awful. But yeah, I think a lot of people did struggle back in November 2025, and then I actually had a red month back in December 2025. It was at $500, mainly because of my big red days. I more אני אוהב אותך. So yeah, big red days, but yeah. Then January came around, slammed. Also, big red days. I had this day. I was like, yeah, let's push some size. Did it wrong. Yeah, February came along. Nice February. Up 5 grand. No, I think I'm up more. What happened? Wait. What? Honestly? Wow. I don't know why I was up. I thought I was up like 5,100, but yeah, never mind. Okay. And then March came along, and you all know it. 30K day. Then we are over here, baby, and I'm up 70 bands on the year. Which is wild. So yeah, that's my story, briefly told. You guys know it all. Like it was much crazier than what I just described. You guys know me. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it, brothers. Hope you enjoyed me. I really enjoyed doing this. Honestly, I was not so locked in off the open because I was with you guys, and I don't know, my mind was a little distracted. But yeah, I enjoyed. And yeah, if you guys wanna meet the team, the team is gonna be in Spain in like May. Let's see the dates. Yeah, May 7th, May 8th, May 9th. You guys, if you wanna be around and wanna say what's up, we're gonna be there. It's gonna be me. It's gonna be the mighty. It's gonna be RT. It's gonna be Save. It's gonna be Lucas, the GOAT. Lucas, which also took the CIIT trade with me. He made $47,000 out of it. I made $31,000 out of it. But yeah, the GOATs are gonna be there. To be honest, there are so many guys that I don't really know, but I will be happy to be meeting in there. But yeah, they're gonna be doing like a hyper scalping lecture back there. It's gonna be for Spanish speakers only, but it doesn't matter because you can be with me or with RT. We both gringos, don't know any Spanish. So if you wanna come, say what's up, let us know. And if you do speak Spanish, go ahead and punch the goddamn buy button and get your tickets. Yeah, okay, that would be me. Holy! Oh my God, yeah, thank you guys. Thank you, RT, for having this opportunity. And yeah, God bless.